Hey there, thanks for joining us again here at Canyon Hobbies. We appreciate you joining us. We got something fun. I like to do these unboxings of new things that have come out. Horizon's come out with a really fun new toy. All you Carbon Cub lovers out there will like this. It's the XCub. I'm kind of excited about it because I've really gotten into these smaller planes, the 450mm, even the smaller, even just a little smaller than this. I like the full function small planes now. With this safe, it just makes them so fun. So I want to do an unboxing with you. I've actually never opened this plane yet. I haven't seen it, so we get to see it together. I mean, looking at the box, I mean, it's pretty basic. The nice thing is it does have ailerons. It has the safe. It includes 2 batteries, which is nice. That's plenty of run time. You'll get bored after that, it feels like. And decent remote. So let's get into this thing. And again, I've never opened it, so hopefully I know how to open a box. But always take a whiff of that new car smell, new plane smell. All right, so I opened it upside down, but that's okay. There you go. A little different yellow, well, maybe same yellow as the box, but a little orangier than the big Cub. But it does have a breakaway propeller, which is nice. I like to break those, so it's nice to have one that breaks away. You got some supports for your wings, battery tray. Looks like we get to put the wheels on, which I'm kind of excited for these wheels too. They look pretty awesome. They're nice and big, just like the big plane wheels. So let's start there, since that looks exciting to me. So, big plane wheels that actually roll. This will be cool. I might go to the manual just so I don't break something. I mean, who does that? But it looks like they would just go right there. But how they go in there without? It looks like it just clips in there. But you know what? Let's find out for sure. Let's finish opening this. A nice thing with Horizon Hobby is it looks like they gave us batteries for the remote, which is nice. We don't see that very often, so that's good. Comes with a USB charger. It is a Hobbyzone charger and Hobbyzone batteries at 400 milliamps, which for this size of plane should get you anywhere from 10 to 15 minutes of flight time. Maybe even longer depending on how you fly and if you're in a condition where you can coast a little bit. So plenty of run time with 2 batteries. And there's our batteries for the remote. Looks like it comes with a spare prop, which is nice. If you probably won't break it, but you might lose it. I've done that. I've lost one before, so it's nice to have a spare. Here's our manual. I'm going to try to take it off the tape. I'm just going to take it out. So there's the manual, and here's our remote. I think all these manufacturers, they kind of see what other manufacturers are doing and kind of copy them a little bit. I love the Rage RC airplanes, and this one is very similar. It's got an acrobatics button, which means while you're flying you can hit that and do barrel rolls and backflips just by hitting that button and pushing a direction on the remote. It's got 3 modes, so you start with your beginner, you have an intermediate, and then your experience mode, and then everything else is pretty much the same. You got some trim buttons, but not too bad. I like that remote. Let's see how to put our wheels on, make sure we get that right, and see what this looks like when it's on wheels. So it looks like We carefully install the main landing gear into the plastic slot on the bottom of the fuselage, just behind the battery compartment. The landing gear wire is fully seated when it snaps into the mount. So we just push it until it snaps, it sounds like. The wheels are facing forward in the picture, so I'm going to face them forward. And I'm going to try to snap this in here. I don't know if I don't break something. That's pretty fun. So this is real life, people. This is. I don't know how they get this in here, to be honest. So if you learn a trick out there, please send that trick along on how to get this in without ruining things. I honestly have got it pretty far in, but I haven't heard no snap, so I don't even know if it's in all the way. Kind of bent the wheels a little bit, but it looks good, but I don't feel like it's in all the way. So I'm going to keep working at it until I hear a snap, maybe. I'm going to try setting it down without breaking. No, that's scary. Still no snapping. Alright, well, that's as far as my wheels are going in. Hopefully you get a snap out of yours and they go in all the way. But I love the look of it. I love the feel of it. Maybe we'll do a little video of flying this one, because I love these planes. They're so much fun to fly, easy to fly. Perfect holiday, Christmas, birthday gift. The price is right. These ones, I have the price on here, $115 with all you see here. So basically, ready to run with 2 batteries for 115 bucks. It looks like everything's pretty durable. A lot of these things look like they would have spare parts for, because they have separations, parts you can take apart. So I'm sure if you break something, you can easily replace it and get back in the air again. Appreciate you tuning in and watching this unboxing. I look forward to flying it. And again, if anybody knows how to put those wheels in a little better than me, send me a reply on there and let me know your trick. But we'll see you next time. Thanks for joining us.